How to fix YouTube glitches. So if you open up your YouTube application, and while opening your YouTube or while playing a video on YouTube, if you find some glitches on your YouTube, then the first thing you need to do is simply go back from the application, and now you need to simply tap and hold on to that application for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will have app info. Tap on app info, go for storage and cache, and go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for YouTube, and then here you will have your YouTube application, right? So under your YouTube application, you can simply go for update if you have an update option instead of this open option. You need to simply update your application and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will find some glitches or some lag in your YouTube. So simply check that. And once you check your internet connection, now go back and you need to restart your device. Simply tap and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart and you need to restart your device, and once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you fix your YouTube glitches problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.